Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how to share passwords, private notes, and other sensitive information with your family, friends, and colleagues while keeping it a secret between you and your recipient. And we are going to use an online service known as the One Time Secret. So One Time Secret is an open source web-based service designed to securely share sensitive information like passwords, API keys, and private notes via encrypted self-destructing links. When it allows users to send data that is permanently destroyed after a single viewing, eliminating trails in email or chat. So if you have some sensitive information and you don't want to send it through email, SMS, or instant messaging, you can use this service to send your private information to your recipient. So to begin with, open a browser and then enter the link or the website in your browser's address bar. The website's address is onetimesecret.com. Press enter after typing the address, and then on the site you will see this on the screen: One Time Secret, signed, sealed, delivered. So send password, credentials, and sensitive data with links that work only once. So you get a box where you will enter your sensitive information like your password. So I have this password here. I'm going to copy and paste in that box. So let's assume this is the secret password I want to share with the recipient. So click on the timer below the box, and by default, every link you create is set to expire in 7 days. So the notes down there is that secrets will be deleted after this time, even if not viewed. So even if you don't view the link, when the time elapses, your link will expire. So I will select 1 hour. You can choose any of the times there. I will select 1 hour for this link and click the create link. So the link has been created successfully. All I need to do is to click the copy command over there to copy the link to the clipboard. You can also select that to create another secret, but I'll click the copy command to copy the link to the clipboard. So I'll open my Outlook, click on new email. I want to share this with somebody, but for the sake of test, I will just share it with myself. So I will enter the email address, enter my subject, and paste the link in the body of the email. When everything is done and set, I will click the send button to send the email with the link to the recipient. So I've just sent it. All what the recipient needs to do is to check their email or inbox, click on the email with the link, click on the link to open it in a new tab, just as we are seeing on the screen now. And when it opens, you will see the click to reveal button. Click on that button to reveal your secret password or your secret notes or your sensitive information. So the next thing you need to do is to click the copy to clipboard. You can save this in your notepad, you can save it in your Word documents, or wherever you want to use your secret information. You can do that. So it says that you can close the browser when you are done, and that is it. Since we've viewed it, if I click on the link again, it wouldn't open for me. It would give me a message that this secret has been viewed or it has expired. So two things: the link is a view once link. Once you open it and view it the first time, you cannot open it again. And then also when the time elapses, you can also not open it to view your secret. So kindly subscribe, like, and share the video for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video.